Oneplus ACE 2 Pro 5G smartphone unboxing from Aliexpress. Oneplus ACE 2 Pro packing list. OnePlus ACE 2 Pro smartphone, data cable, Type-C to Type-C, SIM card pin, protective case charger, protective film pre-installed, quick start guide safety guide, brand sticker, welcome letter, side hole stickers, TSMC's 4nm process technology and ultra-high energy efficiency ratio allow OnePlus ACE 2 Pro to deliver extremely powerful performance. Whether it is daily use or gaming, the experience is smoother and more enjoyable. OnePlus ACE 2 Pro not only has a full-blooded version of 24GB LPDDR5X, a full-blooded version of 1TB UFS 4.0, but also has the blessing of self-developed memory genetic recombination technology. With a top-notch memory combination, you no longer have to worry about killing the background. Even if you use it for 4 years, it will still be as good as new. OnePlus ACE 2 Pro is equipped with an aerospace-grade Tiangong cooling system for the first time, which not only brings you the unprecedented 10,000 level VC in the industry, integrated dual-cycle cooling and Laval air channel, but also aerospace-grade diamond thermal gel and superconducting with thermal graphite support. The heat dissipation capacity is maximized and the performance is completely released, helping you to continuously output high energy. The new generation of diffuse reflective glass technology makes the high bright metallic luster and pure light and shadow texture seamless, which is beyond imagination, less prone to fingerprints but more likable.